Dad, here's Hallie sitting. She's got the things because she falls kind of side to side, but it's not supporting her back at all. She's sitting. She's using her tummy muscles. Huh, bub? I'm kind of proud. But she falls to that left side of hers. That's why I've got to put that thing there. Because she falls so much to the left side. She's got a weak left side. There you go, sitting again. Good girl. But if I put that there, then she doesn't just smack the floor instead. But she's got the tummy muscles now. She just can't. Oh, she's trying to get the Elmo car. There you go. She doesn't fall forward anymore. Say hi, Daddy. And there's Damon eating. Damon, say hi. He's got a cup of water that he'll drink water if you put it in like that. And we're eating homemade pizza. Hi, are you eating pizza? Pizza! Bye, Hallie. Get your foot. Bye, Hallie.